Kumbashis pa prapun reungat ki kena kintay batsinrang na ki khat artlik district jong kadila kilapoy bakin ya don lang hakamadan siat knam jong kasai STC Nehu banya kun banyo ban korya kitak maksiar rupa nirnong na kajinga kop elek kai Meghalaya State Archery Championship balapan long yaka dak Archery Association of Meghalaya AAM ya kabalaya rab ban kershan dak tanat jong ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Sarkar jela kani ka jinga kop ka balai singi la sedang na do ka khat wei tarik unai lar arja arpun rio ban penkot pat yaka ha ka singi pale ka khat lai tarik menta ubnai ka kong san balalit ban pli ya kani ka jinga kop de ka kong Isa Wanda lalu IAS bade secretary jong katanat sports and youth affairs ka sarkar jela ha ka bala sakhilang da kinong aiboj advisor ka AAM ka kong Matsiodor War Nongbri IAS Ladon lang ru u General Secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba Finally L. Parian, President ba Secretary ka AAM ba PB War Nongbri, Secretary ba Robinson Rentatiang, Assistant Director Sports and Youth Affairs ba Krobok Pasa, bat ya ka jingalang pli la penya ya ka da Vice President ka AAM ma EMH Pasa. Shua ka jingalang pli kala don ru ka jing penya khon ya ka qualification Indian round ka kerdan ya lek kai sub junior kan thei shinrang bat hadien ka jingalang pli la pun but pan da ka jing penya khon ya ka individual elimination kan thei shinrang Indian round sub junior habakren kum ka kongsan ka kong Isa Wanda lalu kala ong bayamenta ka sarkar jela bat ka sinjuk elek kai kala dan hapadeng ka jing pen kre na ka benta ka 39th National Games ka ban Long House nam ubarwan haba phai shaki momer ka AAM ka kong Isa Wanda kamla ban lem da porto ya ka jing sedang ban kiu jong ka jing elek kai hadien ba kinong elek kai ka jela kilala ban khori ki artli ki takamaksiar na ka first Khelo India Tribal Games bat kalapan pauru ya ka jinglong balapan kre da ka sarkar jela ban tei ki artli ki shlam sandor ba kerpang Centers of Excellence ka wei harilum garo bat rilum khasi jaintia katba na kalyang kanong aiboj jong ka AAM kong Matsiodor War Nongbri IAS kalapan pau bakalumpung ba elek kai Senior National Archery Championship kan sawan bakan long hangni hapo kajala enta kasnam nalor kata kalawan ra ru ya kaparom sa kenmau kabada kumno baka ni kajinga lek kai kabala rimtam ha kaperthei kabahadu menta menne ala banyai penim batte tat na ki spa snam kiba kham shadien bala ithu puraya ka kum kajinga lek kai da International Olympic Committee hakisnam khatkandai spa henriu pau haba ka phai pat shala ka jong kajala unong penim bat bapenne ya kan ni kajinga lek kai day word bam kwai ha duar uble but unong sandur ya ka Indian round na kalyang ka kong Matsiodor ka ai khuble ya umintri rangba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma but kumjo ya umintri badai khmi ya ka tanat sports and youth affairs kibala ailat ya ka AAM bakan dan menta laki coach ki bakan sai but kumjo iki performance directors lembat banyo bantiet iki tiarya lek kai kum shibenta ka jingpan kre nakabenta ka national games
My dear young athletes from around the state, all 12 districts, it is so wonderful to see you here, and I'm sure all of you are really geared up to compete, to do your best to attain that much fight for podium finish and to go home with laurels. Today is a great day to be out and to see, a glimpse of what the state sports associations are doing, particularly in view of the fact that, as you all know, we are thick in the preparation for the upcoming national games. As Madam Nongbri has stated, the government is attempting to leave no stone unturned to render all possible support to the state associations, be it in procuring the best of human resources and coaches, equipment, developing infrastructure, and whatever else is needed to ensure that the ecosystem in which they train for the national games is one that is conducive and one that will produce medals for the state next year. Through the financial support which has been rendered through the state almost 39 crores has been released to all the different associations. Total of 54 has been sanctioned. I'm so happy to state that the Archery Association of Meghalaya is one of a handful which has actually, showed deliverables, which has actually achieved a lot in this short period of time. And I congratulate all of you for the wonderful work that you have done. We are aware that ever since the team preparation exercise started, in which a total of 125 athletes have started undergoing the team preparation exercise under the association. You have won laurels for the state in the Khelo India Tribal Games recently. I think both the men's compound team event as well as the women's compound team event was bagged by Meghalaya. There were several other, I think, events in which we secured a podium finish, and that shows us that all this effort that you are making, that the association is making, is translating itself into medals, into the outcomes that we want, which is to see our young boys and girls secure a podium finish and attain that prestigious medal which we are all vying for. And it was so wonderful to hear from Madam Matsudor about the rich rootedness which archery has always had in the state of Meghalaya, in these hills. You are the descendants and the beneficiaries of that wonderful tradition, and I think we should be proud and fortunate to carry on this tradition, even though it started off as something very traditional, something which was linked to perhaps to survival, to leisure. Now it is a competitive sport, a modern sport which has evolved in so many ways. We are thankful to everyone who has paved the way to this day. Madam mentioned, the veterans of the sport, the pioneers of the sport in the state, Shri Woodward Solia, who went on to become the architect of the Indian round, I believe. So I think that it is wonderful that we have this rich history to look back to, and also we carry it with pride, and we hope that upon your slender shoulders, this this challenge now rests, of carrying the legacy of archery forward in the state, and to showcase the potential of Meghalaya, not only within our state, in our region, but in the country and internationally as well.